May 7th, 2025, Houston, Texas. Officers with a Violent Offenders Task Force are conducting an undercover operation when a man, 54-year-old Walter Howard, confronts them. Minutes later, he re-emerges from his home wearing body armor, a helmet, and carrying a rifle case.
Just pulling over next to the gas station right here at the intersection.
Realizing the potential danger, marked units are called in to conduct a high-risk traffic stop. But Howard has no intention of complying.
Roll down your windows. You don't have a front plate on your car. It's a traffic stop. Roll down your windows for me, please.
He flees, initiating a dangerous pursuit through a neighborhood located near a school.
I'm not going to ask you. Take it.
Anyone is
Clear the pit.
Officers are given authorization to perform a PIT maneuver to end the chase. The first attempt is unsuccessful. As they prepare for a second attempt, the situation escalates dramatically. Howard leans out and points his rifle directly at the officers. The chase has just turned into a potential gun battle. Fearing for their lives and the safety of the public, officers have no choice but to engage. Shots are fired.
Get in the car, get in the car.
Hey, my camera fell off.
It's all right.
My camera fell off.
Shit, bro. It's all right, you pulled.
Watch. Go. Go.
Cut the sirens. Cut the sirens.
Howard's vehicle is disabled. He makes a final attempt to escape on foot, but is quickly surrounded. The standoff begins.
Push up. Down. Check if there's anyone else. Hey, come over here. Come over here.
Howard, struck at least once, surrendered, and was taken into custody. Officers immediately began rendering first aid until paramedics arrived.
Hey, who's got a med bag?
Hey, quick.
Y'all know what y'all need to do?
Med bag.
Want me to tell the truth what y'all need to do?
We're gonna get you a med bag. Just
What y'all do? You got the murders out the police department. Quit sucking them young hoes at the police department. That's what y'all do.
Hey, we're gonna get you medical help. Just
Yeah, y'all quit fucking them women.
He was treated at a local hospital and released before being booked into Harris County Jail. He now faces multiple felony charges, including 4 counts of aggravated assault on a peace officer.
What is the location of your emergency?
Hi, I'm at is screaming hysterically, her and her boyfriend.
And it's male and female screaming at each other. Or can you hear if they're making any verbal threats to harm each other?
I think it sounded like she was screaming, "Help me!" just now. No, my boyfriend was like, "I think he's gonna have to call the cops." He said that he had heard her say at some point, "Don't hurt me."
Seattle police officers are dispatched to the scene. They approach the apartment guided by the sounds of a woman's desperate screams. At the doorway, they confront the suspect. In a critical moment, an officer pulls the female victim to safety, just as the situation is about to turn deadly. Suddenly, the suspect opens fire. The doorway becomes a kill zone. Officers return fire, taking cover wherever they can. The scene descends into chaos.
Shots fired. Shots fired. Shots fired.
The suspect, later identified as a 53-year-old former Army Ranger, uses his training to his advantage, firing from multiple positions inside the apartment.
We're right here in the front unit. He's sitting out of this window and this door. He's sitting out of this window and this door. He keeps moving back and forth. Yeah. He's hitting me. We need medics. Female is...
In the crossfire, the female victim is struck. The officer's priority immediately shifts. Neutralize the threat while trying to get medical aid for the wounded woman under active gunfire.
Negative. Female is shot. Right side, possible ribcage, shoot.
For minutes that feel like hours, officers issue commands, trying to de-escalate the situation and end the firefight. But the suspect remains barricaded and hostile.
Can you hold the window while I drag her out?
The initial firefight subsides into a tense standoff. Specialized units, including SWAT and the hostage negotiation team, are called to the scene. After a prolonged standoff, SWAT operators made entry. They discovered the suspect inside with no signs of life. The victim he shot was rushed to the hospital for treatment.
Hey, whoa, up, down, down! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Down, down, down! Where were you involved in an accident at?
On May 17, 2025, Houston police officers responded to a minor 3-vehicle crash on the North Freeway. 2 vehicles remained, but a third, a green SUV, had fled the scene.
I got video footage and everything, buddy. I'm not here to. I'm not gonna debate about it with you, okay? What we're gonna do is we're gonna put you in handcuffs. We're gonna put you in the back seat. We're gonna move your car over there with the other 2 cars that are involved in the crash, okay?
The driver's evasive behavior prompted the officers to detain him for the investigation. As they prepared to do so, the situation took a drastic turn.
Hey, whoa!
Facing an immediate deadly threat, both officers discharged their duty weapons, striking the suspect multiple times.
Hey, whoa! Up, down, 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 down! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! 22, 21. Good.
There's no shots fired.
Hey, roll me HFD. I got a male, not conscious, not breathing, multiple gunshot wounds to his abdomen. Hands, man, do not reach for that gun.
Is this repeating messages?
I'm gonna get the weapon off the way.
Okay. Secure the weapon. No, just go secure, it's okay.
Alright, let's go ahead.
Paramedics with the Houston Fire Department arrived moments later, but the suspect's injuries were fatal. He was pronounced deceased at the scene.
32, that's clear, man.
May 29, 2025. An Ohio State trooper clocks a GMC Envoy going 82 miles per hour in a 65 zone. He initiates a traffic stop. But the driver, later identified as Jennifer Wilson, refuses to pull over. The chase is on. For several minutes, Wilson leads troopers on a reckless pursuit down I-75, endangering countless other drivers. Troopers believe she may have been involved in a hit and run just moments earlier. Seeing an opportunity, the trooper attempts a pit maneuver to end the chase, but the driver overcorrects, resulting in a catastrophic rollover crash. With the vehicle smoking, the trooper grabs a fire extinguisher and sprints towards the wreckage. His first priority is saving the driver's life.
Seatbelt. I smell something.
An ICU nurse who is passing by stops to render aid. They find Wilson alive but disoriented and bleeding from her head. She claims people with a GPS were chasing her.
What? Get the candy club. Yeah.
You stay with her, watch her.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can point that call also.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. EMS coming. Why'd you do that?
Jennifer Wilson was transported to a nearby hospital with minor injuries. She was later booked into jail on multiple charges, including operating a vehicle under the influence. Her erratic behavior and claims of being chased were a result of her impairment. In a high-speed pursuit that could only end one way. May 30th, 2025, Marysville, Ohio. Officers respond to a domestic dispute call. The subject, 29-year-old Dustin Ohm, is immediately confrontational.
Drive. We told you not to drive. Driving. I moved it forward in my grasp.
Ignoring lawful commands, Ohm enters his truck. The situation is about to escalate violently.
So he can drive it. I'm not driving. I'm not under the influence.
Operating the vehicle.
No, I'm not. I'm not under any influence. That's not why you guys came here.
No, that's not why we came here, but under investigation.
No, that's not how an investigation
That's
works.
exactly how investigation
I'm
works.
calling my lawyer
Okay.
right now.
So, here's the deal. Either, okay, so I expect you to be either under the influence of alcohol or drugs. All right? Okay, or both. So,
From inside his vehicle, Ohm opens fire on officers. He then uses his truck as a deadly weapon, ramming an occupied police cruiser and injuring an officer before fleeing the scene. A multi-agency pursuit begins. Deputies and state troopers join the chase as Ohm flees westbound on US 33, his vehicle disabled but still moving at high speed.
Going on the westbound. 49 per hour westbound. Right tire. Cutting across the median. Stop.
The chase comes to a crashing halt in the highway median. Ohm exits the truck, armed with a firearm, refusing to surrender. Faced with a continuing deadly threat, law enforcement officers engage the suspect. Ohm is struck multiple times, neutralizing the threat.
Shots fired.
Officers immediately transition to providing life-saving aid. A shocking discovery is made. Amidst the chaos, it appears Ohm also sustained a self-inflicted gunshot wound.
You got shot up here at your neck, so I got to keep pressure on your neck.
The injured Marysville officer made a full recovery. Dustin Ohm was transported to the hospital and would later face justice for his actions. A terrifying night that began with a domestic dispute, ending in a violent highway showdown.